Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on my morning skincare routine. I get requests all the time to talk about my skincare, and I feel like the only videos I've really ever shown you guys were my favorite skincare products all in one video. If you haven't seen that, I will link it up above. And then I've also shown you guys my nighttime skincare routines, but I cannot remember the last time that I actually showed you guys what I use in the morning. So what I wanted to do in this video is bring you guys along with me when I wake up in the morning, all the steps that I do to basically prep my skin for the day. My skin is combination, so it's oily in the T-zone area and dry on the outer parts of my face, but depending on the weather, sometimes it can be drier than others, sometimes it can be more oily than others. And it's also very sensitive, and I do get acne, especially around that time of the month. And if I don't do my skincare routine, I definitely break out. I feel like because of the consistency, my skin has been doing really well lately, and I am really happy with the way that it's been looking. So I wanted to share with you guys all the things that I like to use. So if you guys end up liking this video, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Let me know in the comments what your favorite products are to use in your morning skincare routine. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Got so tired of waiting, got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately there's nothing in the way. Getting so impatient, need to get away now with you, with you. Are you
skincare routine. I'm actually really curious to know what you guys do. What do you use? How different is it from me? I know one of the questions I'm probably going to get in the comments is, how come you didn't use a toner? I actually have not really found one that I like using besides rose water, and I ran out of it. I haven't repurchased it yet. All other toners really irritate my skin, and my skin's so incredibly sensitive. And so, yeah, I just didn't ever feel the need to use a toner in my routine. But of course, that is, you know, personal preference. I just knew I was gonna get a question about that. And yeah, that's what I do. Hopefully you guys like this video. Please leave a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. And I'll see you guys in my next one.